Jellyfish foods, a gift from the ocean. When did jellyfish appear? Jellyfish are known worldwide as soft-bodied creatures, without brains, vital organs or even bones. Possessing only a basic nervous system, surrounded by many tentacles used to catch prey. On the tentacles of jellyfish contain toxins that can cause itching, even burning the skin. Jellyfish fossils have been discovered dating back to the Cambrian period, about 505 to 550 million years old, thus showing that jellyfish have been present since the beginning of life on Earth. Jellyfish have long amazed scientists with their ability to regenerate limbs, helping to regrow broken tentacles. Jellyfish use structures called blastema that form almost immediately after injury to regenerate damaged parts, especially tentacles. Blastema is a collection of specialized cells that form at the site of injury, which then grow and regenerate lost tissue. Based on this research, molecular control of cell proliferation is the key to deciphering jellyfish growth and regeneration, said researcher Sosuke Fujita, Tohoku University in Japan. According to a study published in the journal PLOS Biology, jellyfish create blastema around the injured area, allowing them to regrow tentacles. Importantly, these stem-like proliferative cells in blastema are different from the resident stem cells localized in the tentacles. Jellyfish have many benefits for human health, including: jellyfish has an abundant source of collagen that helps nourish and restore bones and joints of the spinal disc in particular and bones and joints in general. Jellyfish helps restore cartilage ends, thereby treating joint pain, especially knee joints. Collagen is a miraculous substance that nourishes all internal organs of the body from the toenails to the abdomen, chest, heart, liver, to the brain, to the hair. It is a lubricant that flows through all parts of the body, keeping the internal organs healthy. Jellyfish also nourishes the endocrine system, helping to balance body functions and is good for the skin. Jellyfish enhances the body's resistance, preventing minor colds and flus. Jellyfish helps nourish internal organs such as the heart, kidneys, liver, lungs, pancreas, which helps treat diabetes, and the brain's nerves, which helps prevent dementia and hand tremors in old age. Jellyfish also helps stabilize sleep. Jellyfish also helps restore vision, making the eyes see more clearly. Jellyfish nourishes people with weak resistance, however. Jellyfish must be used as regular food for a number of weeks to have a sufficient dose to have a clear and effective effect. It can be said that jellyfish is a species of organism with a body structure that is almost primitive on Earth, whose biological mechanism is maintained and exists without much evolution or development. If we think and observe at the micro level, we can deduce that the atomic or molecular structure, the connectivity, and the interaction mechanism of jellyfish organic compounds are relatively stable and sustainable over time. In other words, the biology magnetic field surrounding these structures is quite stable. When a person uses jellyfish food, the biological magnetic fields of jellyfish disperse, spread, and induce the biological magnetic field of the human body, reinforcing the structures and cellular connections in the human body, helping organs, tissues, and muscles to restore their functions. Notes when eating jellyfish: do not use if the jellyfish has not been processed and the toxins have not been removed. During contact, avoid touching the jellyfish tentacles because that is where the toxin is contained, a type of jellyfish venom used to defend against foreign objects. Children under 8 years old have quite weak resistance and have not yet been fully developed, so they should not be fed jellyfish to avoid any risks that can cause poisoning. Always remember to prepare jellyfish by soaking it in salt water with alum 3 times. When the jellyfish turns light yellow or pink, then continue with the remaining processing steps. In addition, It is also necessary to note the 3 types of poisonous jellyfish that can be identified based on their characteristics. 1. Wasp jellyfish. Has a boxy shape, is transparent with a slightly blue tint. Commonly sized from 2 to 20 centimeters excluding tentacles, often floating in the seas of our country. Their tentacles contain thousands of poisonous cysts, which can cause heart failure leading to death in just a moment. Therefore, when swimming in the sea, you need to pay special attention to this jellyfish. 2. Fire jellyfish. Fire jellyfish have a thin, transparent shape like other jellyfish, but their venom has more colors such as orange, red, purple. This jellyfish often hovers on the water surface, so you must be extremely careful because the venom is just as strong as that of the wasp jellyfish, leading to anaphylactic shock. 3. Linucci unguiculata jellyfish are transparent in color but often have an orange-brown color from symbiotic algae on the jellyfish's body. This jellyfish causes pain, redness, swelling and blistering in the skin area that comes into contact. Finally, jellyfish is a nutritious food, good for the body. However, some people may be sensitive, allergic, or itchy when used. Monitor your body's reaction to use the appropriate dosage.